Let's review the technical aspects of the Now Platform architecture. The ServiceNow AI platform provides the foundation: one platform, one architecture, one data model that all ServiceNow products run on. It unlocks intelligent, end-to-end digital transformation through consistency and scalability, engaging experiences, workforce productivity, enterprise automation, and trust and security. This single platform automates business processes across the enterprise by providing the infrastructure needed to develop, run, and manage applications. Its single data model, built on a flexible table schema, delivers a common set of core capabilities and reusable components. This eliminates data silos and enables workflows. Technology and industry workflows help you manage IT strategy, operations, service delivery, and apps, as well as automate, predict, digitize, optimize, monitor, and resolve security risks. Customer workflows connect customer service with other teams to solve issues faster, cut costs, and boost satisfaction. Employee workflows deliver fast, personal service to employees. With Creator Workflows, you can create your own applications quickly using pre-built libraries, tools, templates, and scripts, as well as integrations with third-party data. The workflows shown here are standardized but can be tailored to your own needs. And it all resides in our multi-instance, secure, compliant, scalable, non-stop cloud, which users can access on any device through a configurable web-based user interface. This is a true enterprise cloud, meaning it's a single system of engagement for the entire enterprise. Let's take a closer look. Nearly all clouds today, except the ServiceNow Cloud, are built on a legacy construct called a multi-tenant architecture. In these clouds, your data is commingled with that of other customers, and they rely on large and complex databases that require hardware and software maintenance on a regular basis, resulting in availability issues for customers. Any action that affects the multi-tenant database affects all customers who share it. The ServiceNow Cloud is built on an advanced architecture called multi-instance. In this architecture, your organization's data, applications, and customizations reside in a unique software stack called an instance. Your organization may have more than one instance. Each instance is isolated from every other instance, but they can still communicate with each other. The ServiceNow multi-instance architecture provides these advantages. Your organization's data is truly isolated, making it easy to perform hardware and software maintenance on individual customer instances. And issues can be resolved on an instance-by-instance basis. The multi-instance architecture allows us to perform actions, such as upgrading, on individual customer instances on a schedule that fits the compliance requirements and needs of that particular customer. Now let's look at availability and redundancy. Each ServiceNow global data center is paired with another data center to provide redundancy with failover support. ServiceNow provides near-perfect availability with redundancy built in at every layer of our cloud, including redundant devices, power, paths across all network, and server infrastructure. In the event of an operational fault, failure, outage, or attack, customer traffic can be quickly rerouted using our advanced high availability or AHA capability to ensure that you maintain access to your instances and data. You can check the availability of any of your instances at any time. Just log into Now Support, access your instance's dashboard, select the instance, and open the P1 free tab. Now let's review backups and security. Full backups are completed weekly, with differential backups made daily in between. ServiceNow secures the cloud and your data using multiple technologies and levels of security that have been certified compliant by third-party organizations. Data is encrypted in transit. An ISO 27001, SSA 18 SOC 1, and SOC 2 Type 2, as well as other certifications, attest to security, availability, and privacy in the cloud. You can also integrate with single sign-on services that are compliant with the SAML 2.0 standard. Further secure your applications and fields using role-based access control. To do this, your administrator creates roles and groups, adds the role or roles to the groups, and then assigns users to the groups. One platform, one architecture, one data model that digitizes, automates, and connects people and places, processes, and systems. That's the ServiceNow AI platform. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.